Hello, tech and art enthusiasts! This month, the Fab platform has made these 3 incredible asset packs completely free until March 10th at 5:59 p.m. Adding these to your inventory will be one of the best investments you can make for your future projects. Let's dive into the technical details of these professional assets. Capturing a unique art style for your universe can be a challenge. This pack is pure gold for anyone seeking stylized character designs, bringing a professional art direction touch to your animation and game projects. AAA level details. The pack includes high-quality male and female characters crafted with AAA level detail. Dynamic expression features 7 different emotional expressions and full lip sync support, a massive advantage for storytellers and content creators. Modular customization. Removable capes and belt attachments allow you to customize the characters to fit your project's needs. Animation compatibility. Fully compatible with free Mixamo animations and the standard Epic skeleton, meaning you can retarget thousands of animations in seconds without manual rigging. Versatile use. Perfect as main characters for RPG or MMORPG projects similar to World of Warcraft or Genshin Impact. Platform support. Supports all major platforms including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, PlayStation, and Xbox. Transition. Now let's move on to the Sci-Fi treatment station on our next screen and explore how we can create a compelling atmosphere for your science fiction scenes. In a sci-fi atmosphere, modularity is everything. This highly valuable station pack offers endless combinations for your scene layouts. The material quality and the details enhances visual fidelity while actually shortening your render times in Unreal Engine. Fully modular. Every piece is designed to be compatible, allowing users to easily build unique sci-fi environments. High optimization. Developed with a 100% focus on optimization for building massive scenes without performance loss. Master trim materials. Allows for rapid changes across scenes without compromising texture quality. 4K details. Features high-resolution textures from 1024 by 1024 up to 4096 by 4096 to capture the finest details. Version support. Supports a wide range of Unreal Engine versions from 4.26 to 5.5. Atmospheric power. Ideal for creating medical bays or research labs, provides a perfect visual foundation for cinematic shorts or technical presentations. Perhaps the most captivating highlight today. This VFX pack is a must-have for anyone looking to enter the world of visual effects or elevate current magic scenes to AAA quality. Rich library. Contains a total of 26 VFX categorized into 5 main elements: fire, dark, water, lightning, and ion. Niagara system. 90% CPU-based and 10% GPU-based. Built using the Niagara particle system for full compatibility and high performance. Easy customization. Features easy recoloring and easy editing capabilities to match your project's color palette in seconds. Extra content. Includes a skeletal sword mesh, sword trail animations, and 8 static meshes alongside the particle effects. Visual quality. Instantly elevates mage attack effects or environmental animations to AAA standards in fantasy worlds. Don't forget to add these assets to your Fab library for $0 before March 10th at 5:59 p.m. Happy creating!